What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the invalid destination address on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel. Now from here turn on flight mode and wait for few seconds and then turn it back off. And after doing this, the invalid destination address issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on more connectivity options, and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option. Now here tap on this reset settings option on the bottom of your screen and then enter the lock screen pin, password or pattern. So when you will enter the pin, password or pattern, it will reset the network settings in your phone, and after resetting the network settings, the invalid destination address will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the invalid destination address on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.